I just finished washing my face and brushing my teeth. I am wide awake, fresh, and clean. I walk back into the bedroom. But I have a problem. I am still wearing my pajamas. I cannot go to work in pajamas. I stand in front of my wardrobe. My wardrobe is large with 2 sliding doors. I grab the handle of the right door and slide it open. I look inside. There are rows of clothes hanging on hangers. There are shirts, jackets, and pants. I stare at the clothes. I have so many clothes, but my brain says I have nothing to wear. It's a very common feeling. Before I choose, I need data. I need to know the weather. I pick up my phone from the nightstand and open the weather app. I look at the forecast. Current temperature 15 degrees Celsius. High 18 degrees. Low 12 degrees. Condition overcast with a chance of rain in the afternoon. Okay, so it is a bit chilly. I cannot wear a t-shirt alone. I need layers. And I definitely shouldn't wear white shoes if it's going to rain. I turn back to the closet. I slide the hangers across the rail. The metal hooks make a little clinking sound. I see a gray hoodie. It looks comfortable and warm, perfect for a cloudy day. I take the hanger off the rail. I hold the hoodie up. I do a quick sniff test. I bring the fabric close to my nose and sniff. Does it smell fresh? Yes, it smells like laundry detergent. It's clean. I toss the hoodie onto the bed. Now for the pants. I look at the shelf below the hanging clothes. I see a stack of jeans. I pick a pair of dark blue denim jeans. They are straight cut, not too tight, not too loose. I toss them onto the bed next to the hoodie. I open the top drawer of the wardrobe. This is where I keep the small stuff, socks and underwear. I dig through the pile of socks. I need a matching pair. I find one black sock. I search for the other one. Ah, found it. A pair of simple black cotton socks. Now the action begins. First, I take off my pajamas. I throw them onto the chair in the corner of my room. I put on my underwear and socks first. Then, I pick up the jeans. I hold them by the waist. I step into the left leg, then the right leg. I pull them up. I do a little wiggle to get them over my hips. I grab the zipper and pull it up. Then I fasten the metal button at the top. Next, the t-shirt. I pull it over my head. My head gets stuck for a second, and then my face comes out the neck hole. I pull my arms through the sleeves. Finally, the hoodie. I put it on over the t-shirt. The inside is soft and fuzzy. I feel warm immediately. I fix the hood at the back so it's not bunched up. I walk over to the full-length mirror attached to the wardrobe door. I check my outfit. Dark jeans, gray hoodie, black socks. It's simple, it's casual, it's practical. I look decent. I am ready to leave the bedroom for real this time. My stomach makes a noise. I am hungry. It is time for breakfast. That was a tough decision, but we finally got dressed. Listen, if you are still watching the video right now, you are amazing. Give yourself a big thumbs up. It takes dedication to learn a language. Now, let's keep that momentum going and look at some of the excellent expressions we used in today's story. First, let's talk about wardrobe versus closet. A wardrobe is usually a large piece of furniture that you can move. It stands in the room. A closet is usually built into the wall of the room. In American English, closet is the most common word for where you keep your clothes. For example, I need to clean out my closet this weekend. Next, we checked the forecast. This specifically means the weather forecast. It tells you what the weather will be like later today or this week. For example, the forecast says it's going to rain, so take an umbrella. Then I mentioned a hoodie. This is a very common piece of clothing. It is a thick sweater or sweatshirt that has a hood, a hat attached to the neck. If it has no hood, we just call it a sweater or a sweatshirt. For example, it's getting cold. I'm going to put on my favorite hoodie. I also did a sniff test. This is a funny but very real habit. Before wearing clothes that aren't freshly washed, you smell them to ensure they are clean enough to wear. For example, I wasn't sure if this shirt was clean, so I gave it the sniff test. Finally, zipper and button. The zipper is the mechanism with the metal or plastic teeth. The action is to zip up. A button is the small round object you push through a hole. The action is to button up or fasten. For example, it's freezing outside. Make sure you zip up your jacket. Our core philosophy on this channel is to prioritize learning how to describe your everyday actions and feelings in English. Most of our lives are highly repetitive. If you learn how to describe your morning routine this one time, the next time you experience this exact same scenario, like standing in front of your closet tomorrow morning, you will be able to recall these English expressions. It is a painless way to review, and it helps you naturally build an English mindset. This series will eventually cover everything: waking up, washing up, going to work, hanging out, traveling, playing games, relationships, watching videos, studying. Basically, it will include everything a real person experiences in a lifetime. If you like this series and are looking forward to more content, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with people who might need it. Your support is incredibly important to me, and it really encourages me to keep updating. If you have any suggestions, let's talk in the comments. Also, I am always learning too, so if you catch any mistakes in this video, please point them out in the comments so we can all learn and progress together. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Believe in yourself. You can and you will master English. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Clean face, brush my teeth, now what to wear? My big wardrobe has nothing there. So many clothes, a common feeling. Before I choose, I need the data healing. The weather app says overcast and chilly. White shoes would be a choice that's silly. A gray hoodie, soft and smelling clean. Dark denim jeans for the perfect scene. I'm dressed and ready, simple, warm and new. My stomach rumbles, time for food.